Okay, how to adjust a handbrake on a 2009 new model Verso. I brought out my tools to take the bolts out in here, but it turns out you don't have to. All you need to do is pop off the center panel here. So what I did is remove the little silver covers, gave it a good tug. Be careful, not too strength, just kind of ease it out, and this pops off. So what I did is brought the seat back so I could fold this back out of my way. Okay, don't mind the mess now. And in here, underneath the cover, is your two nuts. So you see the black nut here, you want to loosen that with a 10mm spanner, and then bring the silver nut in clockwise all the way around. Keep going until you judge the handbrake yourself. It's really easy, just takes about 10 minutes, and again all you need is a 10mm spanner. Thanks.